Here's a quick video on replacing the light bulb in the glove compartment, and it's just basically secured in like this, and you just used a flat wedge like this one to pry it out, and it comes down. Even though this looks like a white LED, it's actually the incandescent bulb. And I have these Antline 194s, which I use in my license plate of my Lexus, as well as the door, and these are extremely bright, so I'm just going to put these in and replace those. I know it's kind of dark in here. Anyway, I just took out the old bulb out. It's hot, so when you remove it, use a cloth or something to protect your fingers, because it's hot while it was on. And this is the new 194. These are the Antline ones, which I got, and I like these specifically because they're very bright. There may be others that are bright also, but I like these because they're bright. And again, this is size 194, and kind of difficult to do it with one hand. There we go. Got on the first try, and you could compare the brightness from the before to this one. This is nice and bright, and then put it in and close it. Yeah. So easy fix on the glove compartment light, and very bright as well. Thanks for watching.